Bitcoin only makes 1 or 2 incredibly large moves per year, and we have a lot of factual evidence that we're getting incredibly close to that major move for 2021. It's time for you to buckle up. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I'm going to help you get closer to your financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button right now. We're going to be jumping into the weekly chart and covering a lot of information in today's video, so you need to be ready. But first, I want to ask you a very important question. I want you to think about your largest problem that you have in crypto. And how much has that problem cost you? I know it's cost you a lot. Now imagine if you had a solution to that problem. How much more money would you have in your portfolio right now? And how would that make you feel? I want to help you turn all of that around. I've helped so many people just like you turn it around, and I want you to be next. And I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is we just launched our holiday sale, a blowout sale. The bad news, this is your last chance to ever get this big of a discount. We're not having another sale for the next 9 months. You got to act now. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. The link is right here. It'll also be down below. It'll be pinned in the comment. Go there right now. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. You don't want to keep going down that path. You want to recover all that money. Dominate your trades. Make 2022 the best year yet. I'm going to help you dominate in 2022. You deserve that. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. The all-in-one has been flying off the shelves. 75% discount. This is your last chance. No sale for the next 9 months. You sign up right here. If you have any questions, you can email me. You can get just the indicator bundle if you want, or the all-in-one. It's up to you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Now back into the video. We're going to cover a few things. We're going to start with some price action. The NVT-HV, there's some major action happening there. We're going to get to that. The RSI and the Stochastic Rsi. We'll start with price action. Price action right now with our 50-week, right? The 50-week close was breaching our 50-week, right? So we had the body breach it. This would be our confirmation candle. Right? Obviously, we're 6 days away. This is a fresh candle, okay? So we are not wanting to close below the 50-week. Right now, the 50-week is at 47K. If it is, that's our confirmation of our breakthrough. This was our breakthrough. This would be our confirmation. We do not want the body of the candle to close below 47. We want to start to play with 47 again and try to break above and have a confirmation candle next week above here, okay? So a little bit of problem with price action. We haven't had a body of a candle close below the 50-week since this candle back here in April of this year. So a very long time ago that's happened. Again, we've had some candles breach, but not closing below. Just based on the facts, that's all the way back here in April. So be prepared to watch that this week. On the RSI, on the weekly, we're clearly bearish. Again, our level here is this 56, 57 level. What you do not want to see under any circumstance is we already took out this pivot here from September 20th. We do not, and I repeat, do not want to take out this pivot. It would mean that we're in some longer term trouble. If we take out this pivot, that's at about 41.89. You do not want to see that taken out on the weekly. What you do want to see with the RSI is to battle back up, back above here, and make a higher high than this and continue our uptrend, and everything will be pleasant, okay? One thing that could help us is a Stochastic Rsi Cross. You can see we're getting close to that. We do not have a cross yet, but again, as a reminder, we had a cross down way back on November 8th, and simply put, we said prices will continue down until we have a cross up. That's just a big picture to help keep you level-headed. It's not to pat ourselves on the back or say we were right or wrong. It's completely irrelevant. But what you want to do on the weekly chart is pay close attention to the Stochastic Rsi. If you've been watching this channel year after year after year, it helps you get out of the herd. It helps you remain level-headed. And basically, since November 8th, Bitcoin has gone up and down every single day, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. But the big picture is our momentum has still been heading down. We have not had a cross up. So all that day-to-day stress and anxiety, oh my God, it's up a little bit, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's up. You look at the big picture of the Stochastic RSI and you say, hey, we had a cross down. Prices will remain going down until we have a cross up and our momentum starts heading back up. It's really that simple, okay? So now to the star of the show, the MVT HV. Now, what does this mean? Every year, Bitcoin has 1 or 2 major moves per year on average. And we've designed such an indicator using the MVT and using the HV, combine them together to identify where those are. We can just look at the past 4. And basically, anytime the volatility, the HV, the historical volatility, goes below this 40 level, that's our indication that the big move is here. One thing is clear, we have not had our biggest move of 2021 according to this structure here. And we'll just show you the last one back here in 2018. We dropped from like 6.6K all the way down to 3K. This was devastating. It took a lot of people by surprise, but we knew the move was coming and we watched it play out here. And then you can see our move from like 3K all the way up to 14. We dropped below here and we came out. So the key is, step number 1 is to drop below the 40. Step number 2, and more importantly, what color is it when it goes back above the 40? If it's white, when we drop down below and we come up and it's white, we're in major trouble. It's at least a 50% drop. If we drop below and we come up and it's red, it's incredibly bullish. Okay, you can see it here, you can see it there, you can see here, we dropped below, we came up in white, devastating. We went from like 10K all the way down to 3K. And you can see time and time again, this is when the major moves happen. So right now we're red, we're still okay. But if we come down below and we're red, and then we come back up and we're white, that means it's a bigger picture momentum shift to the downside, not for a couple weeks, but more likely a couple months, okay? So you want to keep that in mind. These moves that play out after are not for days. They're for many weeks. It's a bigger picture market swing. And again, that is coming really close. You can see right now, we're at about 41.7. We just need to drop down below 40. And the key is what the color is going to be when it comes up. So we will keep you up to date on that. In tomorrow's video, we're going to be talking about the most critical level and what is going to happen with Bitcoin and the things that we do not want to happen if you want Bitcoin to remain bullish. All of that and more in tomorrow's video. If you're a student of mine, what I would love for you to do, especially if you've never commented on a video, is comment right now what was like before the courses, before you took my courses, and after the courses. I'm going to be reading your comment and everybody else's, so I look forward to that. And again, if you haven't signed up already, this is your golden ticket for 2022. Don't keep heading down the same track. Just imagine what your portfolio would look like if you didn't make those mistakes that you keep making time and time again. I've helped so many people just like you. You're going to be next. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Sign up right here. Send a question if you have it. Remember, we have payment plans as well. And if the price point is still way out of your reach, send me an email. So I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.